Keep them coming. Look at that! Oh my God! Cornbread Chronicles. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Cornbread back with another episode. Today, I'm in Exuma, the Bahamas. Just about to watch the sunrise. I don't have any live bait with me right now, but I do have my net to get the sand from. So I'm going to try. I haven't tried it yet. I just brought it. So I'm going to try to dig down, get some bait, sand from these, and throw it out. You only know if you try. So gotta give it a shot. So here we are. I'm excited. I can't wait. Let's get it. I gotta try to find. Should be like some holes. At least. Nothing. Might have to correct it. No worries now, just the endless sea. I'm adrift, now my soul feels free. StenCy KEY derives from the phrase consistency is key. A brand for content creators, social media influencers, hustlers, go-getters, gym rats, a brand to remind you that consistency is key in order to succeed. StenCyKey.com. At StenCy KEY on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. At StenCy KEY. And remember, consistency is key. I might have to cut it.
Shadows and distant laughter. Times are missing.
You might have to. You might be all. You might be good.
Close your eyes, feel the warm embrace.
Yeah, you good. You good.
This is the rhythm of a timeless.
Yeah, that's perfect right there. No, not yet. No, you're just about to touch the water with your back. Right there, you're touching the water now with your.
Worries now, just the endless sea, just the endless sea. I will drift when my soul feels free, when my soul feels free. I will drift where I'm meant to be, where I'm meant to be.
How you been, man?
I'm almost back to full strength already. Well, you might be on my line too, maybe.
The whole ordeal. I know. I'm finna throw some. What is it, man? Where did I put it? What was in that bag right there? No, this one right here. I'm gonna make that a chum bag. I was on. Every day I think one time we didn't catch a lot, but I think we speared some, but man, every time we went, uh-oh.
My drag was a little loose. It's the same old. It's a little bigger.
That's a keeper?
Yeah.
That's a keeper.
Uh-oh. Oh, the chum got him. The chum woke him up. Oh, oh.
Oh, you can take a picture.
No, I was just taking it off. Y'all got to get a big one to take a picture.
Man,
That's a big one.
that snapper's hitting, man.
So you said it's a keeper?
Yeah.
Let me see. Yeah, that's it.
All right.
I want to fry some fish. We'll try that.
Now we're talking. That's what you're looking for.
No.
Yeah, right.
There you go. Man, we can use that size all day.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I can get 100 of them.
You definitely hit.
That's right. That's.
Oh! I told you I saw one out there.
Whoa!
Wow.
I I ate him too. What y'all think?
Seems like the hot spot right there.
We getting closer to the rocks or no? Oh, nice. That's a good one right there.
Oh, there it is. Whoa. Little fella.
TikTok strikes again. It's my light, bug zapper, solar powered. Ain't got no mosquitoes right now. Nothing. Vibing.
Cracked styrofoam dreams stacked in a bag. Pre-stains marking where the flavors lie. Corn Gurk chronicles written in sauce. Fork in my hand, but I'm feeling lost. Take out report card, A or fail. Did the fries survive or did they go stale? Corn Gurk chronicles, the truth prevails. Taste buds filled with no details. Noodles too soggy, but the wings hit right. Rice too sticky, but the spice ignites. Grading my dinner under soft moonlight. Take out tails on a Tuesday night.
All right, first cast of the day. Let's see what we got out there. Definitely looks a little rough. Oh, one of my pieces of bait came off. What is that? Who's that lady? Let's see the prices. This store isn't too bad though. $7.50. Rice and beans. I think that's it. Oh yeah. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. And also share this to your friends. You know, I'm trying to grow the channel. So if you could share it, that would be greatly appreciated. Also, shout out to my sponsor, StenCy KEY. Remember, consistency is key. To all my content creators out there, social media influencers, hustlers, go-getters, remember, consistency is key. All right, guys, let's get it.